What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is a beautiful 70-degree day, and on this beautiful day I'm going to show you guys how to do one of my favorite tricks of all time, the juicy flick. So if you guys who don't know what the juicy flick is, here's a quick little snippet of what a juicy flick looks like. And if you've ever wondered how to do that trick, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it today, but with a little twist. I am going to use the Hero 7 Black as my recording camera for the stick cam, which means I can do everything in 120 frames per second for slow-mo. I think this is the first trick tutorial I've seen, especially the first one with the juicy flick, where I'm going to show you guys in slow-mo how to do the trick properly. Now, I do have one small issue I need to take care of first. So since I'm using the Hero 7 Black for the chest cam, and the only chest cam recording mount that I have is this one, this guy is not really gonna work. I left my Hero 7 cage at home in Atlanta, and all I have here are the session cages, which, as you see, do not fit the Hero 7. So I'm gonna take this guy to modify it to get my Hero 7 to fit in it, so we can go ahead and get on with the video. So let's go ahead and head off to the workbench. Let's go ahead and sit this guy right up there. That works. So let's get to figuring out how this is gonna work. So I have a spare session cage. I also have a spare Hero 7 GoPro mount for the Dolphin 1 frame. So I think what I'm gonna do is cut this guy up and basically just glue this guy back onto it. Let's get to cracking and see if I can get something working. There we go. Go ahead and throw the bolt in. Voila. Hero 7 chest mount, and it's even in pink. Now we've got the chest mount set up. We have both GoPros ready to go at 120 frames a second. I'm ready to get some juicy flicks going. So let's go ahead and take off and get in the air. The basis of a juicy flick is let's line up here. It's a half front flip, followed by a half roll, then you yaw out of it. So half front flip, half roll, half yaw. So this trick is really cool when you do it through gaps or over trees or even an open field. It's another way to exit it with the half roll and another half flip, but I can get into that later. But let's go ahead and start with the basics. This trick also is cool when you go through gaps and stuff like that. Like that. But in general, if you can do a half front flip, a half roll, and a half yaw, that is literally it. Let's take a look at it one more time through a gap. Let's go in. Now let's go ahead and rewind that and watch that one back in slow-mo so we can kind of wrap our eyes around what's going on. Just like that. All right, let's try it one more time. Up at the gap, half front flip, half roll, half yaw out of it. Again, like I said, this trick looks really cool if you do it like over top of trees or something like that. We put the tree as the focal point. So you go up to the tree, half front flip, half roll, half yaw. So the part of this trick that really adds that little juicy element is the forward front flick and the slow roll. So when you go into your gap, both sticks go forward, and then you roll and yaw out of it. So that is the hardest part, is getting the quick little throttle blip right at the start, right before the juicy flip. Let's do it again. So as you can see, both sticks get a blip forwards, your pitch stick comes back to center, throttle goes to 0, and you initiate a slow roll right, and once that's done, increase that throttle, stop the momentum, and yaw out of it. All right, and that is it. That is the juicy flick. You guys got to watch it back in super 120 frames a second slow-mo. You guys can really see what the sticks are doing. You guys got to ride along with me. We went back, we rewinded, we watched it in slow-mo. I walked you guys through what I was doing. You saw my stick movements. The trick is relatively easy when it comes to stick movements. Essentially, all it is a half front flip, a half roll, and a half yaw. I should have a counter how many times I said that in this video. Front flip, half roll, half yaw. Boom! That is it. That is the juicy flick. Go ahead, practice it in the sim. If you feel confident, practice it on your real quad. I expect to see all of you guys juicy flicking it everywhere all the time. Upload your videos to YouTube, upload on Instagram. Make sure to tag me and show me your juicy flick that you learned from this video. So I hope you guys liked the video. Smash that like button. Make sure to leave a comment if you found this video helpful. I plan on doing many more of these slow-mo stick tutorials. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to see when I post my next video. Be a part of that notification squad, and I'll see you guys next time.